my name is Rebecca Lundquist.
And I'm Erica Broker.
This is our video on what to do at outreach events and just how to approach each kind of event. So our first tip for community outreach events is make sure you wear team attire. This will really help with your branding.
And it also makes it look like you're an actual team and really unites everyone.
That you also want to make sure that you're wearing the same apparel to each event. Like right now, Eric and I would not be approved for an outreach event because look at this, we've got different merch on. It's just important that you guys all look the same so that when you're looking at pictures and when you like post them or put them in your notebook, then the judges will be like, okay, these are the team members, and you can really clearly see what they're doing.
And it makes it easier for people who are attending your outreach events to see which one of you to talk to, like, oh, that girl's on the robotics team. And if you're not wearing the team merchandise, then they might get a little confused.
So our next tip for outreach events is that when you're at the event, you have to make sure to take a bunch of photos. These photos are helpful for your engineering notebook, and they're also super helpful when you're tweeting out and just promoting what you do as a team.
Notebook especially, photos are really nice because judges, it can be a little hard for them to see the event or understand it when they're just looking at blocks of words. So having pictures in there and so that the judges can see what exactly you were doing at the event really helps.
Make sure you get photos of you helping different people at the event. Take photos of what you're seeing, like if it's a company tour and you see a really cool like robot there, take a picture of that. And take as many like action shots as you can. Designate one person to take photos on their phone, so then it's not like you all have your phones out and it's like rude. Just have one photo taker and they're responsible for getting photos from the event.
Another really important aspect of outreach events is making sure that you bring business cards. This is really helpful for networking, and it makes it a lot easier to connect with professionals and other people in the community after events.
This is our business card. You can see we have our contact information on there and our website, and we also show how to get more involved in FIRST, not just our team. And then on the back, we just have our nice logo. Business cards are a must-have at outreach events. You never know who you're gonna meet. Even if it's just an event where you're reaching out to the community, you might see some STEM professional there that you're super interested in connecting with, and this will help you make that connection. Another thing you want to do at outreach events is connect with as many people as you can. Like I said, you never know who you're going to meet at an event, so try to get to know like everyone there, get their contact information so you can further the connections, and just that will definitely help you expand FIRST to more people in this professional STEM world.
You could be in the community demoing your robot and all of a sudden, oh, that sounds creepy.
At that demo, you might meet someone from a company in your local area, and then you've made a connection even though you didn't expect it.
An example of this from our team actually is we were hosting a fundraiser at Von Hansen's, grilling hot dogs, and our current mentor actually came up to us during the fundraiser and started critiquing our robot. And so we made the connection with him there, and he's been our mentor ever since. Another really important part of professional outreach is making sure that you come prepared with any background knowledge on the company that you need, as well as coming prepared with questions. That way you can really make the most of your outreach event and really engage with the STEM professionals. At
Professional outreach events, you're really there to learn. Don't just think of it as another event you have to do. Come engaged and excited to be there. Company tours are so fun. We've seen so many cool things. We recently just went on a tour where we got to see the whole like design process and the robots that this company was building, and it was incredible. Just make sure that you are engaged and you're making the most of professional outreach because it's such a great experience, and it definitely helps you later on in life because maybe someone you meet on a tour is going to give you an internship in the future, and just be open to all the events you're going to.
They can also be really beneficial because they can expose you to aspects and parts of STEM that you didn't even know existed, and reveal a passion for a future career.
And then our final tip for what to do at outreach events, specifically for the ones where you engage with your community, is to make sure you are engaging. Everyone who's at attending that event really wants to learn what you have to say, so make sure you're focused and try to help people to the best of your efforts. Answer questions, really talk to people, connect with people, make personal connections, and then that will definitely help promote the STEM learning and engagement.
Yeah, really make sure that you appear open and friendly to the people attending your event, because people don't want to talk to you if you're just standing off in the corner, just kind of secluding yourself. Make sure that you're greeting all of the people who walk by your booth if you're demoing, so that you can really make the most of the event.
Yes, bring fun stuff like maybe a demo bot that will get more people engaged.
Or bring stuff like stickers or pins and stuff, just things that'll draw people in, and then you can tell them more about your team and first.
That was our video on what to do at community outreach events and just kind of how to approach an event in general. We'll be posting more videos about different topics, so definitely check back for those. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us on our social medias. You can follow us on Instagram and Twitter at GGRobotics, find our Facebook, Green Girls Robotics, or email us, greengirlsrobotics@gmail.com. And always, you can find more information on our website.